Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making a peppermint mocha bundt cake using a doctored box cake recipe. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes, and don't forget to give this video a huge like and leave me a comment before you leave. So we're going to start by adding everything to the bowl at one time. You'll see what I'm adding to the bowl, but I will have the full list of ingredients to include all the measurements down below in the description box. We're going to start with our Duncan Hines Devil's Food Cake. This is a 15.25 ounce box. Next, we're going to go in with the chocolate pudding. Here I have a mixture of all-purpose flour and cocoa powder we're going to add to the bowl. And give this a whisk. Get these dry ingredients combined. And then we're going to go in with everything else. Now we're going to add some granulated sugar. Vegetable oil. Eggs, coffee. This is Javy coffee. If you guys are interested in giving this a try, you can use my coupon code Friday's Kitchen for 20% off your order. There is a link down below in the description box. Melted butter and sour cream. We're going to whisk everything together. Once I have these ingredients combined, we're going to go in with the vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add vanilla extract. Here I have a peppermint oil. This stuff is very potent, so I'm going to add just the smallest drop. You probably won't be able to see it come out, I'm not sure. Okay, I did 3 small drops. I can already smell it. And lastly, we're going to fold in some mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. Just like that, the cake batter is done. Let me grab the pan and we'll be right back. So here we have the pan that we're going to use. I'm going to spray with pan baking spray. Now we're going to add the cake batter. I do have just a tiny bit left in the bowl, but I'm not going to add this. I don't want to risk the cake overflowing as it bakes. Hopefully I don't have too much in here now. Just to be on the safe side, I will bake on top of a cookie sheet, but the oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. I'll start my first timer at about 35 minutes. I will adjust that time as needed, but as always, I'll let you guys know how long it takes in my oven when I remove it. So here is the cake after 1 hour in the oven. It did spill over a little in the center, as you can see. So I am glad I decided to bake it on top of a cookie sheet. you know, I knew better. Sometimes you know better and you end up doing the wrong thing anyway. That was me today. So if you make this recipe, definitely don't put as much batter into the pan as I did, or use a larger pan. I do have a larger pan that I could have used, but I did want to have a different shape for this cake today, which is why I opted for this one. So yeah, we're gonna let this hang out in the pan for about 15 minutes, and then we'll be back to turn it out onto a cake board. We are going to leave the cake here to completely cool, and then we will be back to glaze it. It smells so good. Now we're gonna make the glaze. Here I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. To this, I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla extract and enough heavy whipping cream to reach my desired consistency. I do want this to be a little on the thicker side. I never really measure, I just add a little at a time of the heavy cream. Again, until I reach my desired consistency. If I add too much, I can always go back and add a little more powdered sugar to thicken it up a bit. All right, so this is where I want it to be. So let me grab my cake and then we can come back and finish it. So here we have our cake. We're gonna cover it with the glaze, and then we're gonna top with some crushed peppermints. All right, so let me clean up my mess and then I'll bring you guys in for a closer shot. We have made it to the end of the video. Here we have the finished product, our Peppermint Mocha Bundt cake. Shout out to my sister for this idea. It was a really, really good cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.